welcome to Medical Dialogues, your daily dose of health and medical news. I'm Roshni Dhar. Let's look at today's top health news. While upholding the NCDRC order of exonerating a team of expert doctors from allegations of negligence in providing post-operative care, the Supreme Court today clarified that merely because the doctors failed to save the patient, medical negligence cannot be attributed to them. Top court bench comprising of Justice Ajay Rastogi and Abhay Oka was dealing with a case where the patient had died after undergoing an operation of kidney transplant. Exonerating the team of doctors, the top court bench noted that the doctors can provide their best medical assistance available at their command, but merely because they could not save the patient, that could not be considered to be a case of post-operative medical negligence. The term negligence has no defined boundaries, and if any medical negligence is there, whether it is pre or post-operative medical care or in the follow-up care at any point of time by the treating doctors or anyone else, it is always open to be considered by the courts or commission, taking note of the exposition of law laid down by this court, of which a detailed reference has been made, and each case has to be examined on its own merits in accordance with law, further noted Supreme Court bench. The history of the case goes back to 22 years ago when the husband of the complainant was undergoing treatment under a nephrologist. Consequently, the doctor advised renal transplantation of the patient and dialysis until then. However, despite all kinds of treatment after operation, the patient did not survive and he died only few months after the operation. The NCDRC bench dismissed the complaint and exonerated the doctors in an order dated 21st July 2009, as it opined that the patient had received proper treatment from the expert team of doctors. When the matter came for consideration before the Supreme Court, the bench noted that the complainants had not denied the success in the operation, and their main allegation was regarding the lack of post-operative care at the hospital. Further referring to legal precedents set by earlier judgments, the bench observed, it clearly emerges from the exposition of law that a medical practitioner is not to be held liable simply because things went wrong from mishands or misadventure or through an error of judgment in choosing one reasonable course of treatment in preference to another. In the practice of medicine, there could be varying approaches of treatment. There could be a genuine difference of opinion. That's all for today. Stay safe.
Never miss a medical update from Medical Dialogues. Like, subscribe, and press the bell icon.